Alright. We're watching 2 kids and 1 fuck box. What are you guys doing? Why are you guys whispering? No! Stop! I'm trying to get the damn video, but it won't load. Oh, here it is. Everyone watch it and everyone enjoy it and everyone...
How are we gonna enjoy this?
Shut up. You better be in the camera view. If I watch it, you're not in the camera.
I'm sorry.
Alright, guys. It's turned. Oh, James, would you want this?
Dude!
No, I'm sure you would, though.
Oh, he sneezed on me! Oh, it's a big mashup of... First he sneezed on me, and then I saw that! What is wrong?